Sometimes your biggest problem is your mindset. Most of you think that your problem is money, opportunity, having lots of followers, but that's not your biggest problem. The real problem is how you think, because your mindset can actually change so many things for you. Your mindset can change how you grow, how you see things. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some mindset shifts that actually changed my business and my life. You need to watch to the end because this one is actually very important. So this is day 7 of me trying to start up a business afresh in 30 days with zero capital. And today I was just going through the internet, making a research. Okay, tomorrow we are going to actually start creating our business plan. Yes, we are going to start creating our business plan. And if you've missed other days from day 1 to 6, you need to go back and watch it so that you know what we are doing here and why we are doing what we are actually doing. So welcome to day 7. If you're just meeting me for the first time, I'm actually a business growth strategist, and I also do banking by the side. I'm a banker, yes. So I share business growth tips, business ideas, making money online, and how to improve your finances. So if you like content like that, you can just stick right here with us. Hit on that subscribe button, just turn on your notifications so that you will not miss any of my video. And today I'm going to talk about mindset shifts. I was going through the internet making research for my business, and I came across some mindsets, and it actually resonated with me because this mindset actually helped me. And I said, why not? Since I was looking for what to post, why don't I just post this mindset shift today? So let's just quickly dive in. So by the end of this video, I want your mindset to completely change. Yes, I want your mindset to completely transform. At the end of this video, you will have the right mindset to actually start anything and succeed. So make sure you watch till the end. Okay, before now I used to think that success will just happen when I'm hardworking, that people will support me, and I'll always be motivated to put in the work. I was thinking every time I'll be motivated to show up, to put in the work, and I'll have people that would support me. But at some point, I realized that this mindset is something that was keeping me back. This mindset was something that was actually dragging me backward, because these expectations, they were actually unrealistic. Yes. So what I did was that I stopped focusing on these expectations. Focusing on this expectation. I started thinking long term. I started thinking growth. I started thinking success in the long term. Asking myself questions like, if you know me before, I'm somebody that wants to blow. I'm somebody that wanted to blow up very fast. So I stopped asking myself, how can I blow up very fast? And I start asking myself questions like, how can I grow daily? Yes, so I shifted my focus from trying to grow very fast to making daily progress. So here's the reason why most people feel stuck. Here's why people actually feel stuck. It's because they just want quick success. They post 5 videos, they post for 2 weeks, they post for 1 month, and then no results. They feel stuck, they feel frustrated, their motivation has dropped. Okay, that's the mindset I want us to change today. Success is not actually instant, right? When you see all those big creators or big business owners, you feel like they got what they got instantly, but no. Some people started 14 years ago, some people started 10 years ago to get to where they are right now. So that's the thing with comparison is actually a killer of progress. If you're comparing yourself, you will not see your own progress, right? Have you ever compared yourself before to other big creators or big business owners? Let me know in the comment section. And what did comparison do to you, and what did you learn by comparing yourself? Okay, just share your experience with us in the comment section. You look at other businesses, you see that they have followers, you see that they have likes, they have engagement, but you don't have those things. You become sad. You don't see your own progress. You don't see how far you've come. You don't see how far you've built yourself. You've not seen the good things that you've done, your daily progress, your daily success. You can't see it because you're busy comparing yourself to bigger creators, forgetting that they started from somewhere just like you. I started playing the long game, right? I stopped thinking, how do I make money very fast? I started asking myself, like, what are the daily steps I can take in 1 year's time that will help me achieve this result? This is the result I want to achieve fast, but how can I break down this? How can I get these results in 1 day? I try to break it down to daily steps. What am I going to do today? What am I going to do tomorrow? Like, if you notice, consistency actually beats motivation. If you're consistent every day, showing up, it will actually beat motivation in the long run. So here's the thing, you can ask yourself that question too. What can you do consistently every day in 1 year time that will help you achieve your desired results? Sometimes you think that success is all excitement, but no, sometimes success can also be boring. There are so many things that are success, but you won't see it because you're comparing yourself. So success is repeating the same action again, even when you don't feel motivated. The fact that you can keep on going, the fact that you can keep on showing up, that is what success is. So here is the mindset that actually builds winners, right? This is the mindset of successful people that can actually help you to win. So you need to understand that growth actually takes time. If you want to grow, there are things that failure will actually teach you, just as I said in my previous video. So if you've not watched the previous video, you can go back to watch it. So there are some things that failure would actually teach you. Okay, so growth actually takes time. Don't just start today and expect that you will grow immediately in 1 month, in 2 months, in 6 months. No, growth takes time. If you start with the mindset that yes, I'm going to grow, but growth takes time, I should stop pressurizing myself, I should stop because if you're busy looking at other people, you will not see yourself, you will not see what is in front of you, you will not see the progress that you have made. So know that growth actually takes time, and give yourself time, put effort, consistent daily effort like I said, and don't worry, you'll see your progress very soon. So you should also know that failure is normal. I said it yesterday too, that it's okay to fail. When you fail, what do you gain after failing? Because failure can either teach you something, or it can break you completely and force you to quit. So when you fail, you should learn how to learn from your failure. Take it as a feedback to learn, readjust, learn and readjust from that failure. The next thing you should know is that results will come. Definitely, yes, most definitely you're going to gain your results if you follow all these steps, but most times it might not happen immediately, it might not come that fast, but yes, results is also going to come. So have that mindset that growth takes time, failure is also like a feedback, and yes, definitely if you show up consistently, results is definitely going to come. And you should have the mindset that consistency win. Okay, I've made some video talking about how to be consistent the right way. Yes, so consistency will also win in the long run, but you have to be consistently doing the right thing. You cannot be consistently doing the wrong thing and expecting that you're going to magically win one way or the other. Yes, but whenever and wherever, consistency is going to actually beat motivation. So also show up consistently, doing the right thing, making your research, trying to improve yourself daily, just like I said. So the thing is that your mindset is everything, right? Your mindset is actually everything. If your mindset change, your finances will change, your business will change, the way you carry yourself will change, the way you work will change. So first of all, start with your mindset. You need to stop rushing, stop comparing, keep building. If you watch till the end and you're ready to show up consistently without quitting, leave in the comment section long game, and I'll know that you watched till this point. Share this video with someone that actually need a mindset shift. Make sure you share. Let's share this video. Let's help this channel grow by sharing this video, and hope you liked the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.